Hello there. Today we're going to, or this week I should say, we are taking a turn from food and ag commodities. We'll come back to some more of those later. And we are getting into the engineering design process. So, in-person lab this week is building a your own design toy. And today you have the engineering design process as a review. So go ahead and open that up. And go through the what is engineering. So puzzle number 1 has to do with what engineers do. So your letters go in alphabetical order right here. So you can go ahead and type whatever you want in there. It'll show up. You don't need to have a cursor. Just like the first slide says, if you need help, there's a little hint. Oops. There's a little hint box that moves. Okay, so there's that, and then the steps in the engineering design process, and there is a second puzzle to fill out that's related to that. So go ahead and make sure you submit that today, and have a fantastic day.